Hello guys. Hello. So let's again start with the string methods in Python. This is part 1.
So let's see here that how the Python provides the string methods to us and how they works. Okay, so let me open another file here that I already written few string methods. Okay, that string methods are here. Like first is length. What it will do, it will return the length of the string. Fine. So how, let's see the syntax here, how it will do. That is, first of all, if we will write here length is equal to okay, length, okay, that is a function. Then name. Fine, I have stored, why I am writing here name, because I have stored my value in the name variable. Okay, fine. So this is how. So now what I will do, I will print length. Okay, so let's see what would be the output. Now I will save it first. Okay, let me save. Fine, so let's save here string 1. Okay, string 1. Fine, so let's run it and see the output. It is saying something is wrong here. String methods length. Okay, what is the problem it is saying? Let me simply check it again. Okay, so it is saying is now, oh my god, now what is the error? I did not put it in the I did not make it a comment. This was the error. This was the error. Okay, so we have to take care of these little things while doing it. Okay, so let's save. Now again run. We will see how many characters are there. The length of my string is 28. Okay, so that means it is containing the 28 characters in my string. Fine, so let's move to the next function, that is lower means it will return the exact copy of the string, but the whole characters, or you can say the whole string, will come in small letters here. Okay, so let's see how to do that also. I will simply write, I will again write here the print. Okay, now I will directly writing a print, then name, because my value is stored in the name. I have to see my value, I have to see my string in the lower case. Okay, so I will write here lower and again close this. Okay, so let's save it and I will run. So you can see here very simply that my all letters here have come in the small letters. Okay, all are small letters here. Fine, so let's go back to check the uppercase. Same way, what I will do, print, and I will write there name dot upper, close the function. Okay, and what is the use of this? Now every character in my string will be capital here. So let's see and run. Now you can see all the characters are in the capital form, capital. Okay, so this is how you can use string methods. Okay, next is capitalize. Capitalize means you can you can make the first letter capital, okay, in your string. Fine, let's see how to use it. Same way, print, then I will write here name dot capitalize. Okay, close the function, again close the function. Fine. Simply I will write here and save here, and let's see. Oh, it is saying the error might be there is some let me simply check that. Yes, there is some mistake in the spellings. Oh yeah, so sorry. Capitalize. Okay, now it's fine. Yes, now you will see only the first letter here in the whole string is capital. Okay, so next function is my title. Title. Okay, so how to do it? Print. Again I will write here name dot, I will write here title, close the function. Okay, and save it. What title will do here now? It will just make the first letter capital, okay, of my string. Okay, let's see. Now you will see every first letter of the word is capital, like more, so we have M capital, U, so we have Y capital, learn, so we have L capital here, same with the rest of the part. Okay, so this is the title, this is the title one. Fine. So next is my, that I want to tell you, that is count. Count means it is simply counting the letters, how many letters, how many the letters are there in your name or something else. Okay, so how to do that? If I will write there print, okay, name, because I have to count the value, I have to take the input from the name variable only, then I will write here count. Now what is to be counted? Okay, now what I will do, I will mention here that what I want to count. If I will write here that O, if I want to count O, then let's see how many letter O's are there. So it is saying I have 5 O letters in my string. Okay, or what you can do, if you want to count M, okay, so you will see it is having only 2 M letters in my string. So this is how it works. Okay, I hope you have understood this string method. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, contact me, you can message me. Thank you.
Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.